One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, a powerful moral tale of rebellion, individuality, and freedom. In a psychiatric institution filled with individuals battling their own demons, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest tells a powerful moral story that challenges authority, celebrates individuality, and explores the transformative power of rebellion. The film follows Randle McMurphy, a free-spirited man who feigns mental illness to escape prison and finds himself in the oppressive ward of a mental hospital. Within the hospital, McMurphy encounters a system controlled by the strict and authoritarian Nurse Ratched, who suppresses the individuality and autonomy of the patients in her care. Witnessing the dehumanizing treatment and loss of self-esteem suffered by his fellow patients, McMurphy becomes determined to challenge the oppressive regime and restore their sense of dignity and freedom. Through his charismatic and rebellious nature, McMurphy ignites a spark of hope and rebellion among the patients, encouraging them to embrace their true selves and stand up against the oppressive authority. As the battle between McMurphy and Nurse Ratched intensifies, the film explores themes of oppression, conformity, and the struggle for personal liberation. The story serves as a moral reminder of the importance of individuality and the need to challenge oppressive systems that stifle personal expression and autonomy. It highlights the transformative power of unity, friendship, and the courage to resist societal norms. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest celebrates the strength of the human spirit and the potential for personal growth, even in the most restrictive and oppressive environments. It encourages us to question the structures that confine us, to challenge the status quo, and to advocate for the rights and dignity of every individual. Through its thought-provoking narrative, the film teaches us to embrace our unique identities, to question authority, and to strive for a world that values individuality and respects the rights and autonomy of all. It urges us to break free from societal constraints, to champion the marginalized, and to cultivate empathy and understanding for those who may be struggling with their own mental health.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.